I'm gonna let you in on my trade secret on how to clean bacon grease out of a pan without any toxic chemicals. Grab your Norwex Biozyme, spray it on the surface. You're gonna let it sit there until it starts to break up. Check it out. Boom, look at that. All that grease has started to break up and release from the surface. No scrubbing has been done yet. You can see with my finger, it is just easily wiping up. Now I'm gonna grab my favorite netted dishcloth. Guys, this guy is a champ for cleaning up those greasy, tough jobs. Look at that, it just easily lifts and removes. Rinse it out, get all the little bits and bittles that get stuck in the netted dishcloth off. I noticed I missed a spot, so I sprayed a little more and got to scrubbing again. Rinse and repeat this. It is super fast and easy. Rinse the pan off and voila, it is perfectly clean. You are going to be amazed at how it gets off the grease. The best part is now you can take that netted dishcloth and throw it on the top rack of your dishwasher. Use our Norwex Ultrazyme and you have cleaned without any harmful chemicals.